Hi there, this is your friend Virendra Dr. In this beautiful moment, my mind is extremely stimulated to present before you the greatest thought and philosophy of life. The power of will, the power of persistence, the power of determination, the power to think big and to become great in life. Once we talk great, then we must understand the definition of greatness. Greatness is to realize the power of our brain, embrace it and use it. And when we are having complete control on our mind, then we can really focus our thought on a fixed purpose in life, a definite chief aim in our life, and then we have to follow the 6 basic steps, the philosophy of success principles: desire, decision, faith, persistence, mastermind alliance, and well-organized planning. With these 6 basic ingredients, we can become what we want to be, we can do what we want to be, because we understand all the power which is prevalent on this earth belongs to us, because the God is with us, His blessings is with us. We have tremendous faith and belief in the reality of the Supreme Lord. But what are the essential things? A fixed purpose, a burning desire, intense desire, and not just wishes. Aiming anything high in life, we are capable of achieving this. Because as Dr. Napoleon Hill said repeatedly, time and again, over and over again, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, the mind has the power to achieve. There is no doubt about it. Simply we have to start thinking big and achieving big, and there is only limitations what we ourselves set up in our mind, but mind as such has no limitations or boundary. We have all the possibilities and power. Simply we have to very intelligently and effectively utilize it, focus it towards the realization of the worthy ideals in life, and we can become what we think about. And remember, I bargained with life for a penny, and life would pay no more. However, I begged in the evening when I counted my scanty store. Life is an employer, gives you what you ask, but when you have set the wages, why, you must bear the task. I worked for a menial hire only to learn dismayed. Whatever wage I could have asked of life, life would have willingly paid. Beloved friends, dream lofty dreams, and as you dream, so shall you become. Your promises will come true, your visions will be reality, your ideals will be becoming a vivid reality, physical in your life. Because truly thoughts are things, and powerful things at that, when they are mixed with definitions of purpose, persistence, and burning desire for their translation to riches or other material objects. But let's focus on one very important thing, that is the power of will. So, you will be what you will to be. Let failure find its false content in the poor word called environment. But its spirit ensconces it and is free. It masters time, it conquers a space. It caws the boastful trickster chance. It beats the tyrant circumstance and crown, and fills with a servant's place. The human will that forces and sin, the offspring of the deathless soul, can hew a way to any goal, though walls of granite intervene. Be not impatient in delay, but wait, as one who understands. When his spirit rises and commands, the gods are ready to obey. Dear friends, recognize the power of will. The power of will makes a man giant, and you can tread down all difficulties and dangers, and you can conquer the world, and then you can proudly say, I am the master of my fate, and I am the captain of my soul. because you have absolute power of your thought. By thinking big, you can become big. There is no doubt about it. Just control your mind. Focus it, direct it towards whatever goal and aim you have in your life, and work persistently, continually, and one day you are going to become what you want to be. You will do what you want to do because you have everything possible. And remember, is not it strange how princes and kings and the clowns that kafir in sawdust rings and common people like you and me are the builders of eternity. Each is given a set of rules, a shapeless mass and a bag of tools, and each must fashion or life is gone into a stumbling block or a stepping stone. We are the master of our fate and we are the captain of our soul. That is the reality in life. Believe in yourself. Believe in God. Have tremendous faith in your belief that you are born great because you have absolute control over your power of mind. By controlling the power of your mind, directing and focusing towards whatever you want to be in life, you are bound to become. So what for you are waiting? Dream lofty dreams. Cherish noble thoughts and great desires. And you are going to get it because lives of great men all remind us we can make our life sublime and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. Yes, living is just not enough. It is the depth of the life which is the true symbol of our greatness. How much service we are rendering to the mankind with our potential, with our abilities and with our capabilities, and how much we have control on our thought, that is mastery, and how we are self-confident, self-reliant, self-disciplined and mastery of our thought, that become our strength. And also the calmness of mind, the poise, the steadfastness, that defines another quality of our greatness. You are great, you are successful, believe in yourself. And remember the immortal words of our Swami Vivekananda, arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. You are born great, believe in your greatness, manifest your divinity and you are going to rule the world. That's the spirit, that's the power of will. And I thank you very much for watching the video. God is always with you and you are growing, you are prospering, all riches are at your disposal. May God bless you and thank you very much. Here your best friend Virendra Diyar, wishing you great success in life. Health, wealth, positive mental attitude, prosperity, love, name, fame, whatnot. Everything at your disposal. Believe in yourself. Be up and doing. Cherish noble thoughts. Set to develop it, brood over it, think over it, persistently work for it, and you will get it. That is definite. Thank you very much.